Today, we're traveling into Canada for a quick visit.
They'll let me in.
Yeah, they'll let Mom in.
What are you excited for? First stop in Canada.
We'll have some unexpected delays.
We're going on 4 hours now we've been sitting here.
This might take a while.
We're not moving.
Then we'll play in the dirt before heading on.
We're at the Greenbrier Hotel.
Come check this out.
You go down into this bomb shelter.
Have you heard of the hotel with a nuclear bomb shelter under it?
What do you think of that bomb blast door?
We'll explore it all.
Complimentary champagne.
You guys ready back there?
Are you ready? Let's do it. We're rolling across the country. We've been everywhere, man. Now we're heading north for the Canadian border. We have family there, so we thought we'd go for a visit.
See the desk, the little booth, and they're gonna look at our passports and, decide whether or not to let us come into Canada. They can say no.
They'll let me in.
Yeah, they'll let Mom in. So this is the border. That's like an inspection point. They can inspect your vehicle, all kind of stuff like that.
You excited?
Yeah.
What are you excited for?
I don't know. See Papa?
Aww. What about Canada?
Sure.
You've been here a few times.
If they let us through, you guys need to bust out into a song for "Oh Canada."
Oh, Canada.
My little Canadian family.
Reese is gonna try a poutine. Do you know what that is?
No, not really.
French fries, gravy, and cheese, and vinegar, and ketchup.
Huh.
But a classic poutine is just cheese and gravy. But the vinegar and ketchup really tops it off. First stop in Canada, poutine. No? He's not a fan.
The other one was right across. So I'm thinking that they're probably seeing some movement.
Unfortunately, there was a bad accident ahead.
You're very boring.
Thank you. Stop pushing my chair.
Sorry. Stop pushing his chair. Haven't you learned?
No.
Don't mess with the driver, even if he's not driving. When you got up, here,
guys out. No, they're getting in. He got out and got right back in. You see anything on that side?
no, honey, I can't. I don't see anything besides the same cars I've been staring at. How many hours? We're going on 4 hours now. We've been sitting here. Some people have been here for 9 hours. Cause it's 9. Yeah.
This road closure was about 10 hours long in total.
Okay, we got a couple tractor trailers now. These are loggers.
There's movement! Yay! Here we go! We're not moving.
Can we find out?
Yeah.
All right, just a second. Hey, buddy?
During our visit, Reese got to use some heavy equipment.
Driving it. Gonna go over there and pick up some gravel. What do you think about that? That's pretty big, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, look at that. That's sick. Yeah, hell yeah. That's one heck of a toy.
Yeah, for real.
You loving that, huh?
I'm like, oh my gosh, please, don't go any further.
This was so cool. We have family that loves this type of stuff. Why not get Reese exposed to it? And while we're at it, how about Mama?
Brittany's freaking out here. Her and Reese are gonna drive it. She looked back at me like, better move. Hi back there.
It was neat to get behind the wheel of such a badass piece of equipment. Our visit was over and it was time to roll on. We're headed south.
Take a number, take in a name. If you're code at the door, and welcome to the game. Taking over, taking the blame. We don't make it out without going insane.
Our first stop was to allow Reese to get another race in. This time, it was in Unadilla, New York. He gets better each time he gets out there.
What'd you think? Fun? Oh my gosh, that was awesome. You came down such a big hill and I have video of it. You like it? Good.
Oh, that's cool. Let me see. That's nice, man.
We couldn't be more proud of him. And of course, while we're here, we checked out the best riders in the world. One of the reasons we're RVing is to enjoy each one of these races. We got to attend several along the way this summer.
Let's go!
This is our favorite sport, and it was great to enjoy so many races. Now it was time to move on to the next destination.
So we found free parking at this hotel, apparently. We're at the Greenbrier Hotel. It was Jeremiah's idea to kind of like turn around and hit this spot. I don't know if he agrees with that idea because the drive was pretty freaking awful in the RV, but we get here and I'm like, oh my gosh, where can we park the RV? And they said we could park back here. And it's kind of like a little neighborhood. Took it all the way down these little roads and found a gravel spot, and they're happy with it, we're happy with it, and it's free, so it works. And then we're gonna go inside and check out the bunker. They don't let you film down there, but we're gonna try to get all we can about it. We needed to get some time off the RV. We've been feeling like we need a little bit of a break. Just needed some real beds to kind of sleep in and jump in and play in.
Located in the breathtaking mountains of West Virginia, the Greenbrier is a National Historic Landmark and an award-winning resort that has been welcoming guests from around the world since 1778. Called America's Resort, it's welcomed 28 U.S. presidents, royalties, celebrities, and business leaders. It also served as a World War II military hospital.
Hey, what do you think of this hotel?
I like it.
It's beautiful or what?
Yeah.
Do you think it's haunted?
Yes.
Reese always thinks every hotel's haunted. Why do you think it's haunted?
Because I have a feeling that it's haunted when I have a feeling that it's always haunted.
Yeah? Are you excited about seeing the bunker?
Yeah.
The hotel and the grounds are spectacular. Can you believe how many activities they have here?
It's beautiful.
Horseback
You said-
riding, fly fishing.
Morning, Bryn.
No, Dad.
Let this baby nap, Daddy.
Waiting for the boys to come back? Yeah. The boys are doing the bunker tour. Bryn is too little to do it, so I stayed home with her. And then I'm gonna do it next by myself. Our room is beautiful. Try to give you like a nice little view. Double beds. It's a really gorgeous room. The entry part is like my favorite. That floor right there. Got a nice little bathroom over here.
The rooms are done beautifully, and we felt right at home.
They'll be back any minute, and then I'll have about 30 minutes with them, and I will go. And little Peanut here, she will nap with Daddy. Yeah.
Is Bryn asleep?
No,
Oh, what's
she
up?
wouldn't go to sleep.
Hi. What are you doing, my stuffed animal?
Hi, Bryn. A lady came over and said, your son is the most behaved young man I've ever seen.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. He's a good boy. It was cool.
Yeah?
You know, it's not like you go down into this bomb shelter or anything. You're you know, there's big areas and stuff like that, but, you know, it's pretty cool. It's like you're in a basement, kind of. It's interesting.
Do they talk the whole time?
Yeah, we had a really nice tour guide who's very nice.
Cool.
Yeah, it was fun.
Okay, should I go or not?
I don't
You
know.
guys are going different ways.
I don't know if you're gonna like, you know, think like, oh, I'm in a bomb shelter. It's just not really like that. You don't even go down. Like, you have to go up floors to get into it because the way they designed it. Then you go down. So it's cool. If you wanna say you went into it, go. But it's not like you're gonna be like, I'm amazed by the bomb shelter.
What should I wear? Normal clothes or
Yeah,
this?
this.
What did you think? What's your final thoughts?
It was okay.
Hi, you.
It was okay.
Yeah.
Gosh, guys, I think I'm not gonna go.
Sometimes it's important to let them jump. This is a favorite activity of Reese's. We were off to explore the hotel.
Daddy's napping Bryn. I decided not to do the bunker.
Reese and I are exploring the hotel and trying to check everything off his little list that he's got there. First up, candy maker. Let's pick one.
We love doing little scavenger hunts and chocolate.
Think about the peanut butter fudge.
Peanut butter fudge. That looks pretty. All right, you're buying?
No, you're.
I was searching for some beer for Jeremiah. Couldn't find any, but they gave us 2 glasses of complimentary champagne. He is napping the baby. So I'm gonna pick up my outfits for tonight. Reese is at the little adventure zone thing. So I have like some quiet time. I'm gonna see what I wanna wear.
Well, baby woke up. We're feeding. Jeremiah's on his way to go pick up Reese from the kids club that they have here. We had no idea about. We just saw it yesterday and they had availability, so we jumped on it. She is still breastfeeding at 10 months old. I love it. Reese was almost 2 years old before he stopped breastfeeding. So sad. Yeah, so she's doing like real food, breastfeeding, and a little bit of water here and there. Good little stay. We actually got military discount on this place, and it knocked off right around $200, maybe a little more than $200. Isn't that crazy? I couldn't believe it, but yeah, really good deal on this room, and you know, they let us park and all that stuff. So I'm really enjoying it, really loving it. I bet you Christmas or like wintertime is absolutely gorgeous here.
What do you think of that bomb blast door?
That's pretty awesome. I've never seen that before.
At the height of the Cold War, a top secret U.S. government relocation facility for Congress was built on property, securing the Greenbrier's place in history. It was classified for a long time, but now you're able to tour it. No inside filming is allowed, though.
She wants to be part of it, honey.
I know. Okay, we went and got some chocolate, and then Reese ditched me for the adventure zone, so I've been waiting for him. We hand-picked an assortment.
Let's take this off. We know who you are.
We're gonna get the White House, white chocolate. I'm gonna get the moonshine truffle.
Oh, nice.
That's what I got. And then I got a caramel one for you. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Cheers.
Chocolate.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. She said it was real moonshine.
This is Mama's type of snack.
How'd you like this hotel?
Good.
Really cool hotel, right? Do you want to stay longer, or are you ready to go?
Longer.
Oh. Do you want to stay longer, or are you ready to go?
Ready to go.
It was time to head on. We like to keep moving.
There goes that horse carriage.
Awesome.
You guys ready back there?
Yeah.
Eating breakfast and then I'm ready.
Thank you, Greenbrier. We'll be back for sure. Coming up,
We're headed to a winery/brewery,
and a whiskey distillery.
120 proof.
Come taste Kentucky with us.
At an angle, just like that, and then release your finger.
We'll grab a bottle and then head back to Calypso to get her ready.
We want to do a whole electrical refit.
Told you, spotless. A 9-inch chart plot, all new everything. That's all the charging system.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.